Official, and in today's video, I'm sliding Big Blizz. If you're new to the channel, Big Blizz is my Mustang. That's the name on the channel. And guys, if you didn't know, guys, I really don't be sliding my car like that at all. So this will be my first time doing that. You guys know about that in the car, going to the mountains. That's me. So this will be my first time sliding it. It's raining up pretty much all day today, so I get to keep that good tread, baby. Don't have to worry about my tread going away, which is why I love sliding in the rain, which actually, I just told you guys, I don't do it. First time doing it, which it is, shoot. Let's see how it goes, guys. Oh yeah, also, if you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button. Hit that bell notification for me to notify you about my videos. Just make sure you hit all, and make sure you share the video. It's your man, Wolf. I'll catch you guys in the next clip. Interruption, guys. I want to interrupt you guys real quick before we even get to that. So yes, it was my first time doing the donuts, having a little fun in the 5.0 in the rain when it was wet outside. But as you guys look in this video, make sure you pay attention. There's really a lot of room for me to make mistakes. Yes, it's my first time. If it's your first time you want to do something like this, or maybe it's not your first time, make sure you do it in an empty parking lot. No street lights that you have to worry about hitting, no curbs, only curb. That was in the videos where my girl was standing and recording. Clearly, I'm not trying to hit her, and I'm gonna make sure I don't. So, and also that tractor trailer, or whatever you want to say, just the trailer. I was very mindful of that. Yeah, guys, the video was pretty short. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys. When those sirens started going off, your man was getting paranoid. Man was getting paranoid. That's what my girl was laughing. But I'll catch you on the next clip.
After me for a second. Guys, we heated it up. Point at me, at me.
YouTube, what's good? It's your man, Wax Official. And guys, I can't even do my girl like that. Bae, if you watching, you did great. Actually, I know you watching, bae. You did great recording. YouTube, she was recording with both a GoPro and a phone, so she did have two devices. I ain't gonna do my girl like that. Bae, you did great. All right, let's continue the video.
Point at me, at me. Oh. YouTube, we smoked it up. Fire department coming. All right, babe, let's go. We need this.